Okay, you live in Parkland, Florida, and you're wondering what's in my water? Do I really have to buy bottled water? Is it safe? I heard it comes from an aquifer, which is the Biscayne aquifer. Well, this video is going to address that. So we're going to talk a little bit about what's in your water, what kind of problems it can cause, and what you can do about your water. So first of all, water is so important to the body, right? You're made of water, right? You are nothing more than soil and water. Yeah, everything that you eat came from the soil, right? If I eat a banana, in 4 hours, I'm that banana. If I drink a glass of water, in 4 minutes, I'm that glass of water. So what we want to do is we want you to understand how important it is and how glad we are you landed on this page to do a little research for your family. So first off, the Biscayne aquifer is obviously an aquifer under your feet. Yes, it's trillions and trillions of gallons of water. And what's happened is the rain falls obviously on the earth, mainly in the Everglades where it rains a lot. And then that pushes down into a layer of bedrock. Yes, I said bedrock. Bedrock. And as that water travels eastward towards the ocean, that water picks up some things that you should be aware of. So first of all, there's industry. So there's byproducts from industry get in there. There's also natural radium that's percolating through the earth. That attaches itself to the water droplet. So we're going to just understand a little bit else what goes on in there. You have industry and its runoff that goes into that. You have fertilizers from the sugar cane fields and all the different growers that we have in Florida. So those things get in the water supply. So you might want to get that stuff out. So first and foremost, where do I get my information? So the Environmental Working Group is a not-for-profit. What they did is they went out and they studied your water supply. They took information from your city and they put it into a easy to understand format, which I'm just telling you about right now because I think people like to watch videos rather than read, right? So the first contaminant is haloacetic acids. Yes, it's below the EPA standard, which is really, really old, from 1972, updated in 1986. By the way, they are talking about now finally updating it into including forever chemicals. What are forever chemicals? Those are the things that like made clothing last longer. We sprayed it on clothing, on carpets, and that was from 3M, a stain resistance a spray. It's on everything. I don't know if you saw the latest report. It was sprayed on toilet paper. Ugh. Why would they do that? I don't know, but they did. So you need to be aware of this. That's in our water supply. There's radium-228 and 226. Again, that's a naturally occurring element in the Earth's crust, and it's always trying to get out into the atmosphere. So as it passes by this water droplet, it attaches itself to it. And lastly, there's also trihalomethanes. Trihalomethanes are a byproduct of adding chlorine to water. Yes, chlorine. Yes, of course, there's chlorine in your water. Yeah. Also, there's fluoride. Fluoride. Well, we know fluoride is good for kids, but it doesn't really need to be in there for adults. That's your call if you want that in or out of your water. So those are some of the bigger concerns of what's inside or attached to the water droplet. If you're looking to get some of that out because you realize, man, I have one big filter. You know, what I drink, what I consume, I become. And if you think about your organs, right, you have a esophagus, you have a stomach, you have a kidney, you have a liver, you have a pancreas, you have a lower, upper intestines. You got all these organs inside your body. And what are they designed to do? They're designed to absorb what you consume and make it part of you. So if you don't even want any of these small amount of toxins in your water, if you're looking to make sure that you don't stop buying bottled water because you know what? It's bad for the environment. All that plastic, nobody's recycling it. Yeah, we put it in the recycle bins, but nobody's buying it. So what does it do? It gets buried or burned. So if you realize all this and you wanted to make a change for the environment, if you want to be part of the solution rather than part of the problem, you want to make your family more healthy, you're looking to be able to get some of the rock out of the water because there's rock in your water. That's what causes dry, itchy skin. It causes dry, brittle hair. It causes us maybe to age a little faster. Heck, it sometimes makes people a little bald or clogs the pores of their skin. Not me, but maybe it does someone else. And you're a little concerned about it. Well, the rock in your water can be removed All this stuff can be taken out of your water. We love to use certified products for that. That would be NSF 58 or NSF 44 listed products to get that out of your water. If you need a little help on that, send me respond below, send me an email, do whatever you want to do, get in touch with us. We're happy to help you out, because if you know me, I'm Drew and I am here to serve you.